is Salimuzzaman. I'm the director of Maximization. Maximization is basically a shoe machinery supplier for Bangladesh market for last 20 years. Generally, we supply the machine from the reputed brand like from Italy, from China, and from Taiwan. And we also supply the raw materials for shoemaking, basically from China and from India. We have been participating in this exhibition since the inception of, which is almost 10-12 years, and we're seeing the growth of this sector. I believe the ASK is doing a wonderful job with the networking they made, you know, the guest list, the way of the participants they place, and the information flow. So before the exhibition starts, the right people knows, you know, that what is going to happen, and they write posting in that time. And I believe this sector is really going good. And over the years, the sector is really riding high. I mean, before it was only limited to the leather footwear, but now we are moving to the sport footwear and leather goods. So I believe in next couple of years, Bangladesh will fulfill the target, which I believe close to the $5 billion of export, which will be one of the vital sector in Bangladesh. So I have every faith and confidence and good wishes to all my participants here, and you know, the industry, the manufacturers also. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody, my name is Roberto Re. I'm director of the company MAXIMIZATION from Italy. We are machines manufacturer and dealers from all Italian brands. We are present here in Bangladesh since 20 years, and in cooperation with the local company MAXIMIZATION. We can provide machine, service and spare parts. We are exhibitor in this fair since the first edition, and we find very profitable time to promote our product with this fair, and hopefully in the future to get some more benefit with the return of the manufacturing of the leather shoes, which into our opinion is the main focus and tradition of the Bangladeshi production. So I really appreciate to participate here this year, and really hope to all the exhibitors here to have good business, and this market is growing up year by year. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Luan. I'm from China to the shoes making machine company. My company is local in China, Wenzhou. Wenzhou is a shoes capital of China. In my city, we make the men shoes, lady shoes, and sport shoes. And our machine is service for this company. My company machine from materials cutting, molding, and packing after testing. And we cooperation with magazine with a company about 10 years, because we know Bangladesh market is very big and very famous. They are good for the shoes product, leather bag and the shoes. So we come to Bangladesh and cooperation with magazine. We have a lot of customers like Palazzo, Apex, and Bata, so many companies. And we regard Bangladesh market is very important. And in the future, it's a long time to accomplish country. So we love Bangladesh. Thank you.
So we are from Sperry Group. I'm Shreyansh Jain. I'm the owner of the company. We are exhibiting in Bangladesh from last 25 years. So even before this fair was formed, and Bangladesh has been a very important market for us. We make adhesives and TPR granules for shoe making, and we are working with major clients like Apex, FB, and all Bata and all other big companies in Bangladesh. We are very happy with this market, and so far the business has been very good for us. Maximization is our distribution partner in Bangladesh, and they have been very hard working for us, and we are growing every year in Bangladesh.